Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix home Xbox not working problem. I found 3 different safe solutions for this problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to restart our Xbox device. We hold down the Xbox guide button and select the Restart console in the menu that opens. You already know that. Here we are waiting for our Xbox device to restart. After our device is turned on, we can check whether the problem is solved or not. If this solution doesn't work, we'll move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to remove our account from Xbox device and add it again. In this way, if we are getting this problem from our account, this solution will work. For this, we press the Xbox guide button once, then we come to the rightmost menu and click on Settings here. From the Settings window that opens, we first enter the Account section. Click on Remove Accounts here. Here we select the account we want to make a home account. And click Remove. We are logged out of our account. Now we go back to the main menu and click on Sign In. And click Add New. Here we enter the information of the account that we have just logged out of. Here it asks us for some information. We choose the Next option in the questions asked here. Click on Apply Settings, and then use Instant Sign In. Yes, our second solution is finished. Now you can check if the error is solved or not. If this solution didn't work either, we'll move on to our third and final solution. Our last solution is to format our device. This format does not delete apps and games on the device, but files such as saved passwords and save files are deleted. You don't have to do this solution, because after doing this, the error may still continue. This means that the error is not from you, but from the servers. To understand this, we need to check the Xbox server status. For this, we need to log in to the site on the screen right now. I will put this site in the video description. As you can see here, it shows the status of all Xbox services. Click on Account and Profile from these services. If there is a problem with any of the services I have shown here, it shows that it is not caused by us. However, if all of them are working without any problems like now, then the problem is caused by us. That's why it's useful to make the last solution. To format, first we go into the settings. We come to System section in Settings. We click Console Information. Here we click on Reset Console. And from the options here, we choose Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. It will be a little longer after that, because we reset the Xbox and we have to set everything up again. I'm speeding it up so I don't make the video longer. Here, you need to adjust the settings such as region, language, location, internet, according to yourself. And that's it. This way you can format your Xbox device without deleting the games. Now all you have to do is set up Home Xbox. Our video is up to here. I hope this video helped you. If it helped, don't forget to like the video. Also, you can support me by subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. Take care.